this video, I'm going to be showing you how to restore your headlights in your car. We're going to be using a 3-step Mother's California Gold wax system. We're also going to be using some wax applicators, some microfiber towels, some shop rags, and soap and water to clean off the headlights. This whole process is going to be done by hand. We're not using any buffers or polishers. First thing you're going to want to do is remove all the dirt with your soap and water. This step is optional, but you could use your masking tape and mask off the area. Next, you want to get your bottle of scratch remover. Us, we're going to be using step 1 Mother's Pure Polish. Any one of these works though. Next, you want to get your wax pad, soak it in water. Squeeze out as much water as you can. Put some of the scratch remover on your pad. I'm going to apply some to the whole surface. Now once there's only a small residue left, get your shop rag or a microfiber towel, wipe it off. Repeat the first step 2 or 3 times. In step 2, we're going to be using a glaze. The glaze is really going to bring out the deep shine and restore the clearness of the headlight. Get your glaze, put some on your pad. Now you want to apply step 2, the same as step 1. Once you rub most of the glaze in, get your towel, wipe it off. For the glaze, you also want to repeat this process 2 or 3 times. Next, you want to move on to step 3. In step 3, we're going to be using a wax. When adding your wax, you want a thin layer. Once you added the wax, you want to leave it there for about 5 minutes till it hazes up. After about 5 minutes, wipe it off. Wipe the surrounding area. And there you go, look how clear that is. I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to restore your headlights in 3 easy steps.